Sunday, the 12th of November, 2023. We've switched over to the S22 Ultra camera. It's much better low light than the Osmo or the GoPro Black 10. Crossing over the Chattahoochee River from Cobb County into Fulton County on US Highway 41. Still not sure which way we're going to end up going. Down Paces Ferry, we could go on down 41. We don't know yet. We can go by the new Krispy Kreme, see if they got a hot sign out. Go down Ponce. We could go through Decatur and go out and hit 285, head over and hit 85 and go out. I don't know which way we're going to go. It's going to be convoluted though. I started to turn around and go back and go ahead and hit 285, but I said, oh, what the heck, let's get some night video. If traffic gets too aggravating, we will probably deviate and try to hit 400 or 85-1 and go out. It is about 10 till 6. What's the temperature? About 55 maybe? Looks like about 57 degrees. Mount Perrin, we could cut across Mount Perrin to Roswell Road. Go down here West Paces, go by the Governor's Mansion. You can stay on 41. We don't know. I know the streets are bad. There'll be a whole lot of shaking with this Test 22. The image stabilization isn't as good because this mount is not as good. .75 is right there to our right. Boy, we've done a lot of subcontract work down through here through the years. Ever since I was a little kid, we worked off of West Paces Ferry. If y'all want to look up, Google and look up the Pink Castle, we worked on it in 1960 off of West Paces. The year moved over to Lucerne Street from Berry Street in Decatur. Started going to Claremont the next year, went to Glenwood the first 4 years. Okay, what is the decision time? What are we going to do? West Paces or go on in? There used to be an A&P right here. There's a Publix here, I guess, still now, but the A&P here had one-way glass behind the produce counters. You slid the doors open and loaded the produce from the back room, and the customers couldn't see you. We could look at the customers and laugh at them, make faces at them. I just spoke to a guy in Kroger back here. He said, I asked him, I said, how is the grocery business now? He said, it's rough. He said, it is a tough business. I said, yeah. It was a tough business when I was in it. People don't have a clue. They just don't have a clue how bad a grocery business is. and all the stuff that goes on at a grocery store. I'm not going to get into it right now, but there's a lot of stuff you might think twice about eating if you knew what went on in a grocery store. People are people. A lot of stuff has changed, but people haven't. All this stop and go and messing with the camera, we may get up here and hit 75 and go back out. Go down and do the interchange at 85 and go up. Stream goes off to the left right here somewhere, goes down by Pig Castle. Did a lot of work on those houses on Pine Stream. All this stuff all through here. 60s and 70s, 80s. Night, it might not be too bad. I don't know. Let's turn it off and then we'll decide what we're going to do as we get a little further along. Okay, turning left on Peach Street. Yeah, I don't know these roads as well as I used to, and this was night. We came around a curve back there and there was a stop sign. There was no way I could stop. Good thing this car behind me wasn't police. I don't guess it was anyway. He's still following. Good thing nobody's decided to. It was a three-way stop. Good thing there wasn't anybody else coming across, because I'd have nailed him. Yeah, I guess it's Piedmont right here on the left. What is that big white outline there? Look, there's the population sign, 6,420,542. It's a big deal when the first 1 million hit Atlanta. Everybody rode down here to see the 1 million population sign. That's still there. Now it's 6 million. Of course, that's not 6 million in the city limits. That is the metro area. We've got to watch and be careful. There are pedestrians, there are bicycles, there are scooters. We'll be coming down the hill to Peach Street Battle. A&P Peachtree Battle too. There were little A&P stores all over the place. That was part of A&P's problem. They had a blue million little 12,000 square foot stores. You still had to cover a lot of man hours. Coming across Peachtree Creek, Peachtree Battle Shopping Center is here on the right. Peachtree Battle Road is here on the left. We're not going into Buckhead. We're going to turn on, what is it we're going to turn on? Lindbergh, Cheshire Bridge? Lindbergh, I guess it is. Right up here, and it's a motel up here on the right on the corner. Playboy Bunny stabbed the doctor. That would have been what, early 60s, early mid 60s. Right here on this corner on the right. Used to be a big house right across there on the left, and I guess they moved it or tore it down, obviously, because they got something else built there now. These right here on the left we did for George Cook. He still owes me $4,000. He's still in construction business or not. I think it's Southern Construction and Management. I think they've added a couple of stop signs through here too. Off till we get to Piedmont. Okay, crossing over Piedmont. One of these lanes is going to die. I'm not sure. I think it's the one on the right. It could be this one here though. Shouldn't tell on myself, should I? I wonder if that was a, well, it doesn't matter now. Carpool only. I don't think it is. We can turn up here though and get on. Okay, that lane dies over there. We could turn and get on 85. We might do that. Or we could go on up by Tocqueville Hills. Got something going on up here. Junior varsity used to be up here on the right. Okay, what do we have going on? Wreck, blue light special, orange lights. What do we need to do? I guess we need goes straight. Huh, I wonder what's going on up there. Boy, it must be a water leak. I got water running down the road down through here. Well, we're going to get on 85 right down here. Where's the ramp? Coming up on that. I guess we can still get on 85 here. Yeah, Lennox goes straight on across over there, goes Lennox Square.